Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with my final project for the Memorial Day weekend. Girls Gone Wild in their scrap room. I was totally wild in my scrap room today, guys, or this weekend. I worked on several projects. I finally got my Summer Nights album done, or semi-done, for the class on Saturday. And I worked on this Father's Day mini, guys. Well, it's a little twist on a mini. It's made in a DVD case. Very, very masculine and hardcore, guys, for the guy in your life. I titled mine Hardcore because my honey is so... when he loves something, he loves it, and he goes all the way with it. And he loves cars and jazzing up cars. He loves gaming. He loves gambling, Vegas, Biloxi, anything that has to do with that. And of course, I had to put a key for his car there, and there's some nuts or bolts, whatever these things are called. But they're fantastic, guys. These are not from Home Depot or from the hardware store. These are from Michael's. They're called Industrial Chic. And I believe is a new line of charms. They're fantastic, guys. Go check them out. Look at these things right here. They have like a library print on them. Do you see that? Fantastic. So I thought they were perfect for a Father's Day mini album or Father's Day project. So this is my cover. I used the Natural by DCWV. That's the paper collection. And of course I used my Cricut for the title, and the title is Hardcore. So check out these charms, guys. Try to make something masculine for your honey. Just let me tell you, it was so hard for me not to stick a flower in this mini that I think I was going through withdrawals. So it was really hard. No flourish, no bling, no flower, nothing. So this is completely boyish, guys. Masculine in every sense of the word. Let me take you inside. This is the inside. It doesn't have photographs yet, but my intention is to put photographs of everything that my honey loves in this mini. I used a jute rope because it was perfect with the paper line. Very natural, very organic, and I like that. I think it looked really good. And I didn't want to use ribbon because it's a boy album. So I brought some of the charms on the inside. These pages here are pocket pages, and they're made out of the cards from the Michael's Dollar Spot, guys. So here's what I'm calling my mat and a half. This is the same exact thing that I did in my Summer Nights mini album. So in each page you find an envelope like this. Well, first of all, let me show you the cards I used. These are the cards that I found in the Michael's Dollar Spot, guys. I'm sure that you guys have seen these. I'm sure we all have hundreds of dollars worth of cards from Michael's from the Dollar Spot. I know I have. I know I do. And my intention is always to use them, and I never do. And I finally did because these were craft envelopes, and they're perfect. So I took this and I trimmed it to fit into my tin, and it made me a perfect mat and a half, guys. And I love this mat and a half thing that I did on my summer mini. So it's perfect for photographs and journaling, and photographs on the back and journaling on the other side, or 4 photographs if you wish. And all you got to do is just tuck it inside the envelope, and you're done, and you got yourself an instant pocket. How cute is that? I added some jute rope in the bottom so you can flip these pages up. You see that here? You get the little flip action going on, and you pull on the jute rope, and that's it. That's the mini. Right here on this side, I did something different with the pocket, just to jazz it up and switch it up a bit. But inside, a simple accordion fold to add photographs or any kind of anything that you want to add for your honey for Father's Day. Pictures of your kids, if you like to do that, that would be nice. How nice would this look in the office, guys? Really. This would look stunning in your husband's office if that's what he does, or wherever his place of work. You can actually stand it up on its side like that, and you're done. And it's an album, but it's masculine. Very masculine, guys. So check it, think about this when you're making something for your honey for Father's Day. Let's try to stay away from the flowers, ladies. Stay away from the flowers, okay? So this is Kathy from Paper Phenomenon. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. It wasn't complicated at all, guys. So if anyone is interested, I have one of these kits available, and it will be available on my blog, so be sure to check it out. Everything you see here, you will get. Okay, so check out my blog at www.paperphenomenon.blogspot.com, and I hope everyone had a fantastic holiday weekend, guys. I'm sure I'll see you later on in the week, but most definitely I'll see you this Saturday at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time for the Summer Nights mini album class. Everyone, enjoy the rest of your weekend.